this video, let's try to explore the option add column in this Power Query editor. Okay. Here let's see, this is my sample table orders. It have some values on it: order ID, customer name, city, order date, price, quantity and delivery hours. Okay, imagine I have only the 4 rows. If you have 1,000 or 2,000 rows, imagine how to add any new columns with respect to this data. Okay, here we can see first option is column from examples. Okay, actually this option is used when you unable to find any particular logic between your data. For example, here you can see this is my city column. Okay, I need to have last to this TN, that means the state value in a separate column. Okay, in that case, instead of going for some other logic, I just type an example for 2 rows like TN and UP. Automatically remaining rows will fetch that value and give me a new column. Let's see. Select the city column and click on column from examples. You have 2 options. First let's see from selection how to do that. From selection means which column is selected, city. So that from city selection it will give you the new column based on the example you have typing. For example, for first row I am typing TN. For second row itself you can see it automatically detect from the selected column city, UP, TN, KL. This is our requirement, right? Okay, now click on OK. Here now you can see all the values are extracted according to our example. Let's name this as state. Okay, this is how column from examples work. Now you have another option from all columns. Okay, I need the data from the all columns. I don't have any particular logic, so that the Power Query editor need to give me a new column like what the example I am typing. Okay, let's see. From click on column from examples from all columns. Now from the all columns you can see, for example, I need the order ID, last 2 digit and underscore, first name first letter, last name first letter, underscore, and the state, underscore, and the month only I need. Okay, or month, year. Now you can see automatically the remaining values are predicted from the example we have given. Now click on OK. Within one click you can able to fetch the data from all the columns by your examples. This is how column from examples from all columns work. Okay, let's see what's this custom column. Okay, custom column will help you to create a new column based on the custom formula. Okay, you don't have any particular logic or examples, you need to do some calculations. Okay, in that case you can go for this custom column. For example, in my case I need to multiply this price and quantity to find the total sales value. So go to the custom column and name this column as total sales. I have a function custom formula. What that formula means, I need to insert the price column, multiply star, and the quantity column. This is the result of total sales. Click on OK. Now your custom column is created, total sales 1000, 1200, like that. Okay, this is how custom column works. Next option is invoke custom function. Okay, how this works? You need to define one function here, like this formula. You need to define one function here, and then you can invoke that function across all the queries. Okay, let's see how to do that. Go to home tab, click on new source. Here you can see blank query. Okay, in this query you need to give your formula. Okay, here you can see text value as text equal to text dot upper text value. It means I need to use the function upper. Okay, I have one text value, I need to change the text value into uppercase. Okay, this is the formula. Now name this formula as okay, before that go to the advanced editor and change this formula. Click on done. Okay, now you can see the function symbol is changed and name this as function upper. Okay, now you can see this is the formula. Okay, text value as text is the data type and we need to give one input text value. What this will do, it will take that text value and change it to uppercase. Upper function is used here. Okay, in real time you can do try to invoke, for example ABC, give invoke, it change it to capital ABC. This is what the invoked function work. Delete this. Now we have created one function, uppercase function. Go to the add column. For our orders table, in my customer name I need to change this all into total uppercase. For that we need to use uppercase function. I already created that here by using the blank query. Now simply click invoke custom function, name this as name in the uppercase. What's your function query? Function upper. Okay, which column you need to invoke this function? In customer name. Click on OK. Now customer name column will be given to this function upper, so all the data in customer name will change to uppercase. The new output column named as name uppercase. Click on OK. Here you can see name uppercase, all are changed to uppercase values. Okay, this is how invoke custom function work. Okay, now let's see conditional column. This conditional column will help you to do some conditional based values. Okay, for example let me explain you. Here I have my price column. Okay, for example I need to have new column, that's what the tab add column. I need to add a new column that the price value is greater than 1000, I need the value as high, less than 1000 I need value as low. Okay, I need to split up the price category. In that case we are using the condition if else. So go for this conditional column, name this as price category. Okay, if price column greater than 1000, then the output need to be high. Okay, add class means else, or else here you can see give low. Okay, if you have more than two condition you can add it here, add class else if price is less than or equals to 1000, it's medium. Okay, if you have multiple condition you can go on add a class, or else you can give here else value. Okay, now what this will do, the new column price category will have the value high, medium, low based on this condition. If price value is greater than 1000, the output is high, equal to 1000, output is medium. If else means what's the possibility, less than 1000 it's low. Okay, click on OK. Now here you can see the price category 500 for low, 1200 high, 800 low, 1500 high. We don't have the value 1000, so the medium is not present. This is how for the particular condition you can add column, conditional column. Okay, now another point is index column. Index column means we have the row number 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case you want to have one more column with the index value 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So you can use this index column. For example here you have 3 options. Let's try from 0. So it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, it keeps add on. The index column is created. Now in case you don't want to start from 0, you want to start from 1. Then click on this arrow mark and from 1. Now you can see the value starts from 1, not 0. Now both case you don't want. You need to start from the value 5 and you want to increment with 5. In that case go for the custom column and starting index I need to start from 5. increment by 5 or 10, for example 5, 10. Okay, now what this will do, it starts from 5, for each rows it increment with 10. Let's see 5, 10, 15, 10, 25, 10, 35. In this case you can able to create an index column with a specific condition, 3 options from 0, from 1 and custom 1. Okay. Next point, for example, if I want to duplicate this price category column, select that and click on duplicate column. Here you can see the price category got duplicate. You can rename it here. Okay. This is how add column tab works with these 6 options.